Speak it. Write it. Sing it. Come and be alive. Reach across the world. Kayo bang gumawa ng lahat ng mga yan?
Opo.
Opo. Wow.
Tito Luis, ang gaganda nila lahat, no?
Ay.
Pero, alin po ba dyan yung kila Charles? Tsaka alin din yung kay Amelia?
Oo nga, no? Mukhang nagkahalo-halo yung mga laruan ni Amelia at saka ni Charles. Kids, let's practice. Pag narinig nyo ang... Kayo ang sumagot para kay Charles.
Yes!
Ready?
Yes!
Charles, are those your airplanes?
No, those are not my airplanes.
No, those are not my airplanes.
Charles, are those your airplanes? Yes, those are my airplanes.
Yes, those are my airplanes.
Charles, are those your helicopters?
No, those are not my helicopters.
No, those are not my helicopters.
Charles, are those your helicopters? Yes, those are my helicopters.
Yes, those are my helicopters.
Okay, very good.
Maganda oh, kanino kaya yun?
Kay Amelia, tanungin natin, alin naman kaya ang mga laruan ni Amelia? Kids, let's practice. Pag narinig ninyo ang... Tanungin nyo si Amelia kung sa kanya ang mga laruang makikita natin. Ready?
Yes! Are those your airplanes?
Yes, those are my airplanes.
Are those your helicopters?
Yes, those are my helicopters.
Are those your airplanes?
Yes, those are my airplanes.
Are those your helicopters?
Yes, those are my helicopters.
Very good!